Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you Sunday with the Sims. I hope you enjoy, so keep watching. Good morning and happy Sunday. It's July the 14th and this is Sunday with the Sims. About to jump in the car, put my lipstick on, and get ready to get to church. Okay, it's Mr. Sims, the G-Man, and we are on the way to the building because we are a church on the grow. Sometimes we gotta walk, but that is no problem.
Every time we walk, this how because we come late every time.
Yes. Anyway,
That's how it is when you're going from appointment to appointment.
Yeah, but we always try to make sure we get a word from our man of God
Right.
at City Church, because
Hey.
we is on the grow. But anyway, I will maybe show y'all a little bit of snippets once we get in the building. As you can see, I got my happy planner to take my notes, because we are note-taking family. And that's about it. It's hot. Okay. I'll be back. Okay, church was amazing. Man of God talking about understanding spiritual warfare and that we have to train our flesh, because the enemy is not going to go after what you're strong. He will go against your weakness. Run. I can run.
No.
I was about to run across the street. He don't want to run. But yeah, the word was amazing. And now we're on to do our little routines. I'll be back. Stop after church. I go get my coffee, and then I come see my mom in my bonus bed. So let's see if I can get up in this house with one hand, since they done closed the door on me. See how they do you, girl? Hey!
Hey, what's up?
That's what he do on the big screen, play cards. Let's go find my mom. Hey, Mom! Where you at?
I'm in the bedroom looking at the Golden Girls.
Hey, Mom! Hey, boo-boo! They balling over here with the big screen. So everybody say hey.
What did y'all do?
I'm recording.
Hey, booby. Yeah, nice music.
I did I'm a short to you. Young boy. I mean, this dude, young boy. I met him maybe 2 years back, and then I re-met him again. He's on his life play, he had a young CEO. So I was just laughing at him, young boy back then. But now, 5 years later, boss, he's a director of a company. So he got
Family time with my
I go to his house. He called me to his house just Thursday, day before yesterday.
and my mom.
And he in his garage, he got 30 fishing poles. He ain't got these little poles.
Oh, I know you got
no big
ones.
with the big flat.
Oh,
He got some bags.
Big bags, big bags.
You
He got some bags. Yo, boy, he was like, yeah. And I was like, all right, I'm gonna come through there. And they said, this is what I want you to do. Say, clean my boat for me. This is boat. What? I said, all right, I'm gonna clean. That's his boat.
What's it called? She rolled. I said, give me some of that cash.
This is little boat. He got a bigger one than this. Little boy, man.
Who did?
Evan's daughter.
This is boat.
Doing the baby. She like remind me of
Heard it, bro.
what her name? And her daughter. The one that died.
Oh, Hayat?
Yeah,
Okay.
Loves baby.
Oh yeah, she be making like cheesecakes and everything.
Cheesecake. I got a little piece left of peach cheesecake.
Oh, okay.
It's a little bit left in the kitchen. Because I got a slice of it yesterday. She had
See what they got in here.
yeah, you can have some of the We just have
My mom is thebomb.com with decoration. Let me see what she got in this plate. Ooh, pasta salad. You know I'm gonna try some. That's good. They must don't know the lights out. I can't find the cheesecake. That's not it. That's corned beef. Look at this table setting. My mom is so decorative.
Hi.
So this is my first vlog, and I just want y'all to see what happens on Sundays while I'm not on live anymore. But I like to, I just wanted y'all to see a glimpse of what happens with the Sims on Sundays. And this is the second part of our day. Gotta come hang out with my red bone.
Mother.
Coffee.
Her mother.
Yes, that's my mother.
It's not a color, it's mother.
Look at me, I'm brown. She yellow.
That don't mean nothing.
But I did get a tan. I'm not normally this dark.
Love you.
Yeah, so I'm going to hang out with my mom, my bonus dad, and my husband. Then we may go to the pizza place. I really don't want pizza.
Y'all the do over here.
Yeah, I normally don't go to the. I don't really want pizza today, but I might go just so y'all can see our favorite pizza place. So if you're ever in Richmond, Virginia, you know where the best handmade Italian pizza, and they have been a local staple in Richmond forever. That was definitely a spot to go to and get your slice after the club. Now get a pie after Christ. Alright, so I'll be back. Finish drinking my coffee. Alright, we're leaving. Bye, Mom. See you later. Mom, we gotta go.
Yeah.
Tell him I talk to him later. Alright. Walking out the door. It's so hot out here. Y'all get up close and personal. Look how cute the house is. All right, you guys. So it's now 3:04. Let's see where our next adventure will be. Stay tuned. Okay, so we're trying something new today. Well, I am. I don't know about him. But this is Soul Food South of the James. Let's see what we got going on here today.
Hey, yes, sir. What are you doing?
Every time we go somewhere, he knows somebody. So I'm sitting here trying to figure out what I want to eat. I think I want to do the chicken or waffles. I'm not sure. But I'll let you guys know. Okay guys, our food is here. I'm about to crush, and it probably won't be any food left on the plate. It is as good as it smells. So I'll come back and give y'all a review. Okay, we're finished. The hubs thoroughly enjoyed his food. Now we're all either back home or I don't know, something. So as soon as I get home, I will finish this video off. KK bye, in the words of E. Michelle. So you know your girl had to make a stop at Starbucks and get this good old caramel ribbon crunch. So that's gonna be my dessert for the day. I think our adventures are over. We're on the way home. So husband playing these love songs in the background, so I don't know. Might be MIA for the rest of the night. All right, love, so I am back home and I'm a little bit tired, and I think it's more so because of the heat, because as you could tell, I had Wawa and I had Starbucks today, and my husband was like, boo, do you not realize that you had like coffee within like a 2-hour time span? And I'm like, that's nothing different than I do on a regular like Monday and Tuesday when I'm at home. So anyway, that's just us, that's the Sims, and that's why I wanted to kind of have my first vlog be about Sunday with the Sims, because that's what we do. We fellowship, we do ministry, we spend time with the family, we spend time with each other, and then sometimes along the way we minister to others as well. And again, I wanted you to kind of see what was keeping me away from you guys on Sundays, because you all know I was doing lives on Sundays, but you know, when you have time to reflect and have some private time, you kind of rebalance and realign yourself. And I realized that I spend a lot of time filming and creating content, and him and I spend a lot of time, you know, working. So I want to make sure that I always have family time, because in life, the true balance is God, husband and wife, children, and then everything else. And I want to be able to be an example of that, and why not share it with you guys? So I hope you really enjoyed the first vlog of Sunday with the Sims. I do plan on doing more vlog type videos, and as you could probably tell, I have done started to do some little transitional changes. My channel art, as you can see, it kind of tells you what this channel is going to be about going forward: planning, ministry, family, and business. So you're going to get a little bit of every area of my life, and I figured it's perfect because when I do my planning, it's about my life. So I wanted to be able to just keep it real with you, because you know, a part of our ministry is real life with Luvs and CheKesha. So I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comments box. I'm really looking forward to doing more vlogging, and as well continue to do some planning and showing you some things that I do in business along with my planning, and as well, you know, faith things, because that's your girl. So if you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you never miss any of my new videos. And you never know, I might pop in from time to time and do a live, and you don't want to miss that as well. So if you have enjoyed this video, you already know what to do. Give me a big thumbs up, and if this is your first time watching, drop a purple heart in the description box so I can know that you're new, and so I can give you a shout out on a future video. So until next time, loves, peace. Thank you for watching Sunday with the Sims, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell.